Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of AI trading bots and uncovering 7 secret settings that can maximize your profits. If you're using platforms like 3, Cryptohopper, or TradeSanta, you'll want to stick around because these insights could transform your trading strategy. First up, let's talk about risk management settings. This is crucial because it determines how much of your capital is at risk in each trade. For instance, setting a stop-loss limit can protect you from significant losses. On platforms like Cryptohopper, you can adjust these limits based on your risk tolerance. By setting a stop-loss at 5%, you ensure that if the market moves against you, your losses are capped. This setting is vital in volatile markets where prices can swing dramatically. Next, we have the choice of technical indicators. AI bots rely on these to make informed trading decisions. Popular indicators include the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI. For example, using the RSI, you can determine if a market is overbought or oversold, helping you decide when to enter or exit a trade. Cryptohopper allows you to customize these indicators, which can be a game changer in identifying profitable trades. The third setting is the trading strategy itself. Whether you're using a scalping strategy or a trend-following approach, your bot's settings need to align with your chosen strategy. On 3, you can backtest different strategies to see which one yields the best results. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to simulate trades using historical data, giving you a clearer picture of potential outcomes. Now, let's discuss market conditions. Adjusting your bot's settings based on current market conditions is essential. For instance, in a bullish market, you might want to increase your take-profit percentage to capture more gains. TradeSanta offers tools to adjust these settings dynamically, ensuring your bot adapts to market changes in real time. Fifth, we have the importance of diversification. By setting your bot to trade multiple cryptocurrencies, you spread your risk across different assets. This is especially important in the crypto world, where prices can be highly volatile. Platforms like 3 allow you to set up multiple bots, each trading different pairs, which can enhance your overall profitability. The 6th setting involves the use of leverage. While leverage can amplify your profits, it also increases your risk. It's crucial to set your leverage levels carefully. On platforms like TradeSanta, you can adjust leverage settings to suit your risk appetite. For beginners, it's advisable to start with low leverage to minimize potential losses. Finally, let's emphasize the importance of testing and refining your settings. No 2 traders are the same, and what works for one might not work for another. Regularly testing and tweaking your bot's settings based on performance is key. Cryptohopper's paper trading feature is an excellent tool for this, allowing you to test strategies without risking real money. So there you have it, 7 secret settings to optimize your AI trading bot for maximum profit. Remember, the key is to tailor these settings to your individual trading strategy and market conditions. Happy trading!